Wagwan YouTube. Alright. I wanna understand that. Hello YouTube. This is your Jamaican boy, Record the Best. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a video showing you how to restore your iPhone, iPad, whatever iPhone device you may have. And the reason why we do a restore is because maybe your iPhone is disabled, as you can see, or you forget your password, or whatever reason you want to restore your iPhone. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So YouTube, in order to restore your iPhone, you need to open iTunes on the computer, and you need to connect your phone to a USB cable. If you don't want to connect the phone to the USB cable, that's fine, you could do that afterwards. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to connect the cable to the phone, and I'm going to hold the center button or the home button on the iPhone and the power button, and you're going to hold that button and count to 8 seconds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You release the power button, keep the home button hold, and just keep that for a time till you see the computer install the driver for your iPhone. So once the computer has installed the driver for your iPhone, you can now release the home button. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, you will get a message on the computer says iTunes has detect an iPhone in recovery mode. You must restore this iPhone before you can use with iTunes. So you just click OK and reset the phone. Another name for this is called DUF mode. So once you click OK, you just click restore, and then restore and update. I already downloaded the software, so as you can see it says extracting software. So you just let that run, and then the iPhone should be good to go. So extracting software. This is the iPhone. So I'm just gonna let the iPhone sit right there, and it says preparing iPhone for restore, waiting for iPhone. Now it's installing the device at the bottom, and it says DUF mode, which would be the same as recovery mode. So that's how to put your iPhone in recovery mode. So I'll just come back at the end of this and show you what it looks like. So now the iPhone is finished restoring. So the iPhone is now booting up. So basically guys, this is how you restore your iPhone. So we're just going to wait until that little slider load up, and we should be good to go. So there you go, your iPhone is now restored. So thank you guys for watching. Please free to comment, share and subscribe, and like my videos. Thank you. Goodbye.